Hey everybody, it's Mel Crankman here today. So I did a poll earlier today. I didn't send it to everybody, but I sent it to a few people because it was my first poll. And what I put in the title is, "What do you want to see next in my next video?" And I put clean the basement as a shot back, or big mess test, or handheld back comparison, or and they chose uh handheld back in comparison. So I did the Eureka Corvette back from 1993 and the Hoover helpmate from 1983. And I chose these two vacuums just to see which one does the best at picking up shredded paper. So let's do the Hoover helpmate first from 1983. That vacuum did a good job. Now let's try the 1993 Eureka Corvette vac model 55. Okay, let's see what they've collected. By the way, I've done a test with that in my other live stream this week, so it's gonna have more paper than that one does. But let's see what they both collected. So this is what the Eureka Corvette back collected. It's hard to see a little, but you can see the paper that's in there. Did a good job. So let's see what that has collected. So this is what the Hoover helpmate has collected. Oh gosh, didn't do a bad job at all. So it seems like the winner is the Hoover helpmate from 1983. So congratulations